Have you heard about 2Party app and you're wondering how it works? In this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know, from creating an account to completing tasks, and I'm even going to be requesting a live withdrawal using my own account. Please kindly take note that this video is just for educational purposes only, and what I'm sharing is based on my own experience. Now, if you're wondering what 2Party app is all about, it is an app with different features such as live streaming and party streaming and so on. So creating an account on 2Party is very simple. First, you download the app and then you follow the instructions on your screen to complete your registration. So once you are here, all you need to do is just to complete your information. You add your picture, you add your nickname, you select your gender, if you're a male or if you're a female. You select your date of birth, your region, and then you apply this invitation code right here. And then once you're done, you click on join 2Party. So after signing in, this is what your own homepage is going to look like as well. And if you'd want to become a live host, or if you would want to host your own party, then remember to apply the invitation code during your registration. So after registering, the next thing you want to do is to verify your account. So what you need to do is to click on me, then click on setting. Then you scroll down and you see face verification. So you click on face verification. So make sure to follow the instructions to verify your account so that they will know that you are a real user. So after verifying your account, the next thing you do is to join an agency. So you come here, you click on my agents, and you paste this code here. You paste the code and you click on check. Then you apply to join agency. So you click on apply to join agency. Make sure you read the instruction carefully and then you confirm. So after joining the agency, and if you meet the app's requirements, you'll be able to use the live streaming features in the app. You'll be able to host your own party. Now let me show you one interesting thing about this app. You click on me, you click on tax. So after joining the agency, you'll be able to see this tax here. Now there are different tasks you can choose to do to earn rewards according to the app's rules. So make sure you follow the platform's rules before streaming. And if you look down here, you see that as a new host, your daily task is to stay on the mic for 120 minutes. So as you see, I have completed mine. So what I'm going to do right now is to claim it. Successful, and I'm going to claim the other one, which is successful. Now, if you are having any trouble, let me know in the comment section or in my Telegram community. Now, for you to start the task, all you need to do, if you haven't completed the task, you will see go instead of done. So what you need to do to create your own party is to click. So you click on go. So right here, what you are going to do is to fill in your party's name. You choose your hashtag and you select voice and party, and then you click on start live. So this is what it looks like. Now you want to make sure that your mic is on so that it will count. You want to make sure that your mic is on. So you stay on the mic for 120 minutes. So that is one of the tasks here. And one interesting thing is that while you are here, you see this icon here, which is the game section. So if you click on it, you see a lot of different games you may choose to explore. And you can choose any available game and follow the instructions provided. If you have any question, feel free to let me know in the comment section or in my Telegram community. Now let's take a look at the withdrawal process. So I'm going to click on my wallet, and this is my diamonds here, and this is my coins. So what is withdrawable is diamonds. So I'm going to click on income, and there are two different ways you can choose to request for a withdrawal. So I'm going to be using payroll. Then I'm going to click on select payment method. So you can also depending on your country, you may have different available payouts methods. So I'm going to click on global. So I'm going to choose my country and I'm going to choose my local bank. So I'm going to add in my details right here, account number and name. Then I'm going to click on submit. So updated. So I'm going to go back here. Make sure you read carefully. So I'm going to select again. Select my country and select my bank. You can see the network fee. So I'm going to enter quantity. Now the input quantity must be a multiple of 100,000 diamonds. So this just means that someone can only withdraw like 100,000 diamonds, 200,000, 300,000 and so on. So you can withdraw 150, 250, 350 and so on. So that's what it means. So I'm going to put in 100,000. Since on my balance I have 100,000, 110,000 I mean. So I'm going to put 100. Then I'm going to click on confirm. So you can see the amount that I'm actually going to receive here. So I'm going to click on confirm. So I'm going to set a security password. So I'm going to confirm again and I'm going to enter my security password. And it says withdrawal application successful. So I'm going to check in my record and it says reviewing. So it is currently processing here. So one thing I want you to remember is that processing times may be different for different users and it depends on the withdrawal method you use. So please have that in mind as well. So I'm just going to patiently wait for it to be completed. So after about an hour and 10 minutes, my withdrawal was successful. So I'm just going to go ahead to confirm the receipt here. It was successful. Now, one thing about this app is that it is easy to use and the different sections are also very simple to navigate. So just take your time to understand how the app works. Make sure you read the app rules before getting started. And if you have any question or anything you don't understand, let me know in the comment section and join my Telegram community if you want me to guide you on this. I hope this video helped to answer your question and help you to understand how this app works. And please remember that this video is just for educational and informational purpose only. And what I shared is my personal experience. If you have any question or if you have experience with this app before, feel free to share your experience with me in the comment section. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video.